Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today we're diving into a super useful iPhone trick, how to change the text size. If you're struggling to read things on your phone, or just prefer larger or smaller text, this is for you. Okay, first things first, let's open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Got it? Great. Now scroll down until you see Display and Brightness, and tap on it. You'll find a bunch of options here. Look for text size, and tap on that.
This is where the magic happens.
You'll see a slider at the bottom of the screen. By default, it's usually in the middle. To make the text smaller, slide it to the left.
To make it bigger, slide it to the right. Easy peasy, right?
Now, let's go back to the previous screen. You should immediately see that all the text on your iPhone has changed. This will apply to pretty much everything, from your settings to your messages. And that's it. You've successfully changed the text size on your iPhone. I hope you found this guide helpful. It definitely made my life easier. If this video was useful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. This is based on my own experience, and remember to check the description for some helpful links. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.